Hello everyone and welcome back to Lens on Trains. This is episode 15 in my Building My First Scale Diorama series, and today is a special one. We're getting really close to finishing stage 1 of this project. In this video I'll be adding the last few patches of grass in some previously uncovered areas and working freestyle on painting the tunnel, trying to bring it to life with natural textures and earthy tones. Let's start with the grass. I had a few small zones that were still left bare after the last paint session. These spots might not seem important at first glance, but they make up a huge difference in the overall feel of the scene. This time I had the best assistant, my daughter. She helped out with the grass placement, and honestly, it made the whole process even more fun. It's moments like this that remind me why I love this hobby so much. It's not just about the result, it's about the time spent creating. Next up was the tunnel. I didn't follow a specific reference or model this time. I just let the brush guide me and try to mimic how rocks and cliffs weather over time. I started with a neutral gray base and then added some more earthy tones to give it a natural rock feel. A touch of olive green here and there helped simulate mossy spots, and dry brushing helped bring out the texture. The goal wasn't perfection. I wanted something organic, something that looked like it belonged in nature. Mostly shaped by time and weather, not just a plastic mold painted gray. After the paint was down, my daughter helped again, this time pressing in some grass while the paint was still drying. It gave us a nice natural transition between the tunnel and the landscape. Looking at the diorama now, it's far from done, but I can finally say the foundation is in place. This is stage 1, terrain, base painting, tunnel structure and some basic greenery. I still plan to add trees, bushes, more texture details, weathering effects, maybe even figures and lighting down the line. But this point marks the end of a major chapter in the build. And this video also happens to be a milestone. It's the 100th upload on this channel, including all the shorts and build updates. It's been almost 1 year since I posted the very first video. The community is still small but growing, mostly viewers from Romania, but I've also seen comments and support from people around the world. Thank you all for being here, it means a lot to me. If you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's keep building this world together, and until next time, keep your lens on trains. Bye everyone.